Wait. Before you say this word again, listen. Say this sentence naturally. Actually, I didn't mean that. Sounds normal, right? Now, here's the problem. The word actually automatically puts you in defense mode. It sounds like you are correcting someone, you are irritated, or you are arguing. Now, listen to the same sentence without it. I didn't mean that. Calm, confident, clear. English is not just grammar, it's tone control. Small words change how people judge you in interviews, meetings, even casual tasks. So, next time, pause before saying actually if you want English that sounds confident, not defensive. Please follow us.